Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix your Wi-Fi problem if your Wi-Fi is not connecting to the another networks, or is there is a crashing problem, or is there a auto turn off Wi-Fi problem. You can solve it by simple steps. First, you have to long press your Wi-Fi, click on details, and you can see here it is add network. Select the network you have recently connected, forget that network and connect it again. If this process does not work, click on search, right here reset. Click on this reset and here it is reset Wi-Fi settings. Tap on Wi-Fi and reset. Wi-Fi settings has been reset successfully. Now it will be working properly. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.